Lawnmowers in Germany. Rasenmäher in Deutschland.
Who's playing? Mowing the lawn today. Hey, buddy, how's it going?
Hey buddy, how's it going? So apparently these robot lawnmowers have really grown in popularity. A lot of people in my neighborhood seem to have one. Days, what are people doing? Just twiddling their thumbs?
Perspiration guaranteed. That means I am sweating, or in German, ich schwitze. And it is windy. Es ist windig. This is gonna take a while. At least I am getting my steps in.
And just like my grandfather, I love the outdoors, spending time outside and being active. But if you're willing to pay between 200 euros and 2,200 euros, I suppose a robot lawnmower could really make your life easier.
I also wanted to tell you that here in Germany, we are not supposed to mow the lawn on Sundays and public holidays such as Labor Day, Tag der Arbeit, or Easter Monday, Ostermontag. Yeah, Sundays in general are quiet and peaceful here. The supermarkets are closed, the stores are closed, even some cafes are closed. There are exceptions, so sometimes we have these things called Verkaufsoffener Sonntag, and that means stores and supermarkets are actually open on a Sunday. As for mowing the lawn and when it is allowed, I actually typed it into Google. I typed in Rasenmähen am Sonntag, mowing the lawn on a Sunday. And then this paragraph appeared. Es ist allgemein bekannt, dass das Rasenmähen an Sonn- und Feiertagen nicht erlaubt ist. This phrase means it is generally known that mowing the lawn on Sundays and public holidays is not allowed or is forbidden. And there seems to be some type of law or regulation that even allows only certain times during the week. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.